Hello, doctors, dentists, and my dear friends. I'm your host, Nikhil Vash, the co founder of TEN, the Education Network. The Education Network nurture, challenge, and inspire doctors and dentists to become academically successful, creative, and into innovative thinkers, globally minded contributors who will thrive and make a positive impact in a complex and ever changing world of medical sciences. We all need to work really hard to make our careers as a medical dental specialist. In my previous video, I have explained about the requirements, the procedural challenges, and the science behind medical PG in Germany. But if you explain the advantages, the motivation is enhanced manifolds. Today, I will discuss the major advantages of doing medical PG from Germany. Every doctor and dentist always looks for employment opportunities and settlement options in the country he is planning to do his medical specialization. Germany not only allows international medical graduates to complete medical specialty training, but also guarantees the security of settlement. This has been achieved through EU Blue Card program, the visa for highly qualified professional, which entitles the doctor for the special category of visa. After 21 months of EU Blue Card, the holder qualifies for a permanent residency in Germany. In a nutshell, the major advantages compared to many foreign countries are: in Germany, a doctor need not have to go through any competitive entrance exam. Yeah, it is true, you have to believe it. To the relief of every medico, any doctor or a dentist is not required to face any competitive or entrance exam to integrate into the German medical healthcare system. Talking about the employment, settlement, and the medical specialization option, Germany is one of the few countries on the planet which first provides a doctor employment, followed by settlement, and then continued by medical specialization. In Germany, there is no age restriction for doctors. Unlike most of the developed countries, Germany has no restriction on the age and experience of a doctor. Any doctor of any age and experience are entitled to integrate in the German medical healthcare system. Doctor has a choice of choosing his residency. Germany has opening in all the fields of medicine. The possibility of getting the preferred branch of medical specialization is especially very high. In addition to that, it is an integrated pathway for super specialization. Talking about the remuneration and the salaries, which may always interest a doctor and a dentist. In contrast to numerous different countries, Germany offers job on training. As clinical specialization is considered a job, all doctors and dentists will get an attractive month-to-month pay. Doctors are entitled and guaranteed for around 50 lakhs of salary per annum when they start their job with their first employment on temporary license, which enhances year by year. I've just highlighted the major advantages of going and doing medical PG from Germany. I will discuss the relevant advantages in academic flexibility, the economical windfalls, pattern of medical training, settlement privileges, remuneration benefits, social benefits and allowances, and last but not the least, occasions and leaves in my subsequent videos. So friends, challenges are a part of life. In this era of cutthroat competition, if you want to be different from others, then you should have the zeal and the courage to do the things differently. An established and reputed mentor can handhold and guide your path, ironing out any bumps that may emerge. We at the Education Network are a team of reputed mentors helping score of doctors. I suggest all doctors and dentists to think wisely, research sensibly, and if you have any queries, you can reach us back. You can contact us on the phone number shown on the screen. Or you're always requested to follow us on Insta, Facebook, and LinkedIn. I'm Nikhil Vaid signing off. I thank all of you of giving your valuable time to go through this video. I wish you all the best. Take care. Bye-bye.